At Forest Schools here in the Eco Centre, we offer our services to a variety of different agencies. We have high schools that come in here, social services, pupil referral units, and we work with Ukrainian refugees as well. A family isn't one thing. A family's got people from the age of 0 through to teenagers, even people in their 20s. The youth service works with 11 to 25. Families First works with 5 and unders, and play workers sort of do the bit in the middle. So when we get them all together, we can offer a whole wraparound service for the whole family. And no other service does that. You don't get something that a 2-year-old can go to, that an 18-year-old can go to, and the parents, and be together as a family doing something fun.
So my mum came when I was little, and she thought it was going to be nice for me because she knew I like going out with my friends a lot. It was very nice to do stuff out with my mum, because I don't really get to spend time with my mum because she's normally busy. But here I was able to play with my mum outside and have fun.
Mick bringing people here is very important for them because they get to learn all these things about agriculture, like learning about growing vegetables and fruits and whatnot. He tries to make sure that everyone gets the push in the direction that they need. I think he's the best person here at his job.